We all have one of those days where we look at our skin and it looks dull and dead. Summers usually takes a toll on the skin due to sun exposure, inappropriate skincare products, etc. When my skin needs an immediate care, I use the 3-step for flawless skin, that is to prep, to detox and replenish for the deep conditioning, and the results are just incredible. If you don't have time for all these 3 steps, or you don't need to complete the full process, you can pick one that works for your skin type and your condition. Hello everyone and welcome to Glow Pink. My name is Garima. Today I'm going to share 3 important steps for gorgeous skin. To stay up to date with our latest videos and amazing remedies, make sure you subscribe to Glow Pink channel and don't forget to turn on the notifications. So the first step is to prep your skin. Now to prep your skin, you will need apple cider vinegar, water, and some cotton balls. Depending on your skin type, dilute the apple cider vinegar with water. Those of you have acne prone or oily skin type, you can take 1 part of water with 1 part of apple cider vinegar. People with normal skin type or combination skin type can take 2 portions of water with 1 portion of apple cider vinegar. Those who have relatively dry and sensitive skin can take 3 portions of water with 1 portion of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is known for its antiseptic and antibacterial properties that help to dry off any active acne and helps to restart the deep cleansing process. A gentle exfoliant can be used if you happen to have thicker or oily skin. So dip a cotton ball in the apple cider vinegar solution and apply over your face like a toner and let it dry. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help destroy bacteria and yeast on the skin due to the conditions such as acne. A healthy skin is at the end of the pH spectrum. However, people with eczema may have an elevated pH of the skin, which may weaken the skin barrier and make it more prone to infection. Because apple cider vinegar is acidic, it can help to restore some of the natural pH balance of the skin. The second step is to detox. Now to make this detox mask, you will need 2 tablespoons of calcium bentonite clay, 1 tablespoon of cold pressed coconut oil, juice of 1 lemon, 3 to 4 drops of tea tree essential oil. Mix 2 tablespoons of clay with 1 tablespoon of cold pressed coconut oil. Now slowly and gradually add lemon juice to the mixture until it forms a mask-like consistency. Now lastly, add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree essential oil and stir everything well. Apply the mask to the face and let it dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it is completely dry, gently pat your skin with some warm water to soften the mask. Now after that, wash off the mask. Natural ingredients have a lot of qualities to clean the skin deeply. Calcium bentonite clay absorbs and eliminates contaminants, heavy metals, impurities, and chemicals. Opens and clears pore and speed up the removal of blemishes. Coconut oil helps to reinforce the underlying skin tissue and expel dead skin cells. It obviously deals with acne and pimple, decreases the acne scars too. Lemon removes excess oil from your skin. It contains vitamin C to soothe your skin. Tea tree oil is a relieving and disinfecting material. It will help you to dry whiteheads, blackheads, pimples, and other blemishes. The third step is to replenish. So for this mask, you will need half avocado. You can substitute with overripe banana, a teaspoon of raw honey, and a dash of cinnamon powder. Blend all the ingredients together until smooth. Now apply the mask to your face and neck. and let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes, and after that, wash it away. After detoxifying the skin, I like to apply a mask to keep hydrated the skin and give it that extra glow. After that, apply a toner, and then I usually follow up with my vitamin C serum and a face lotion or a face moisturizer. Avocado stimulates the development of elastin and collagen. It reduces the effects of UVA and UVB radiation from exposure to sunlight. It keeps the skin smooth and moisturized. Honey has anti-aging properties for rejuvenating and regenerating skin cells. It heals the damaged skin and replaces it. Cinnamon improves the fine lines of plumping skin, restores the shine and suppleness of the skin. So that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Glowpink for more such videos. Till then, I'm Garima signing off today. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. From tan to detan in no time naturally. Glowpink Detan Skin Whitening Face Pack. Reduces sun damage, provides glowing and dried skin instantly. Removes the dead skin to get a soft and smooth texture. Age-old proven ingredients for skin whitening and brightening like licorice powder, glycerine, orange peel powder, multani mitti. Suitable for all skin type, Glowpink Detan Skin Whitening Face Pack is now available on glowpink.com. Check out now. Get a 10% discount now on any combo purchase on glowpink.com. Exclusive only for our YouTube viewers. Use coupon code YouTube10.